everybody. Thank you for joining Big Mamas Gather here live on Instagram. Once again, tonight's show is brought to you by Europa Coffee, the best Italian coffee you can get your hands on. Please order online at europacoffee.com. They ship right to your door. It's amazing. Please support local businesses. So once again, Europa Coffee. Thank you very much. To start off, tonight I have another gifted guest, a local singer. Her name is Ariana Sky. She goes by the name Ari Sky. She is a wonderful singer. I had a privilege of meeting her a few years ago when there was a fundraiser at Melrose for MS. And since then, I've been following her, and we've been seeing each other quite often at events. And she as well has offered to entertain our galas for the Italians of Montreal and friends. And she sang at the last gala we had last year in May for autism. She has an angelic voice. She's a fantastic singer. She's an amazing person to start off with. She's very humble. She's very down to earth. I don't know what else to say besides Ari, please get on so people can see you. I can introduce you and we can get the show started. So Ari, come on. Come on in. Hi everybody. Hi Sky Nani, Simply Franny. These are all the wonderful people that send me messages on Instagram. We don't know each other personally, but I feel like I know all of you because the message that we share and we exchange, it builds a friendship. So I'm not just a face on the phone. I'm also a friend. So let's see if I can invite Ari here. Here we go. And here. Come on, Ari, accept it. There she is.
Hi.
Sky, how are you?
How are you? I'm great. Yourself?
I'm good. I'm good.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thank you for coming on to my show and entertaining everyone. Because although we are apart, we still find ways to stay together.
Of course.
So I have a lot of viewers that are not local. So I'd like them to get to know you a little bit. About yourself, how old you are, and how your singing career started. Like, how did you get into this field?
Yes. So I'm a 16-year-old recording artist and songwriter from Montreal. And I started singing in front of people, like in public, at around 11 years old. It started at my school. I auditioned for a solo performance at my school concert, and I got I got the solo, I got the act, and that's where it all started.
Okay, and you came out with an album called Warriors.
Yes, a song. So I have also a French version, and it's a song about bullying and intimidation, and fighting against it, and standing up for yourself, but also for others. And yeah, it's just to say no to bullying.
Wonderful, wonderful. Like I was saying, you're a down-to-earth person, and for such a young age, you're so aware of everything that's going on, and you're out there to make a change. You're not just there to sing songs that have meaning, that touch people in different levels that you can never imagine, which is very commending on your part.
Thank you so much.
What I love about you is you're very humble. You're very, very humble. You don't put yourself on a high pedestal. You consider yourself a regular person that knows how to sing, right? I think you froze. So I also know that you work closely with Charles Vaccaro, also known here on Instagram as V-Rocks.
V-Rocks, yeah. So do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you now.
So yeah, Charles is my manager. He is also he was also part of a band in the 80s called Lipstick. So he's not only my manager, but he's a musician, and he writes some of my songs. And yeah, he's honestly such an amazing person, and always so understanding and supportive, and just I'm so grateful to have him as a manager.
Yes, he's a nice person. I met him as well when you did your fundraising concert at Melrose. He's a wonderful guitarist. He's got a lot of experience, and himself too. He's a very humble person. He's down to earth. He's very easy to talk to. He's easygoing. God bless him for putting you under his wing. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I don't know what else to say besides you're just fantastic. You have a gift that you share with the world, and every time I hear you sing, I get goosebumps, and I just get immersed into your music, which is wonderful. You also sang for the Habs.
Yes. So yeah, I can explain that. So I mean, before the Habs, I was singing for the Impact de Montréal, the soccer team from the MLS. And yeah, when that happened, the Impact, I was like, the first time I did it, I was nervous. I'm not gonna lie, because there was like 20,000 people, and after the second time, I got used to it. I did it around 6 times, and then when the Canadians came around the corner, I remember Charles had told me a week before, because he only knew a week before they had called it. And we have it on camera. Like, I was crying. It was like a dream of mine to perform at the Bell Center. And, yeah, for the Canadians. So when that happened, it was like, oh my God. And it was on my birthday.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I was turning 16 that day, and I was celebrating it at the Bell Center, singing for the Canadians, which is crazy.
Wow, it's a dream come true. Everybody dreams of these kind of moments, and you're scared to put it all in. And it even marked your birthday, which made it even more personal for you, which was fantastic. It was a wonderful thing to see. I can only imagine what it felt like to be there in the middle of the ice rink singing for all these.
It was crazy. It was crazy.
Yeah, but you're doing very well. You're doing fantastically well. I wish you more success, continued success. Keep working with Charles. He's amazing. And now I just want to subside a bit from this conversation. How have you been coping with this quarantine, with all this social distancing and all that? Tell us about that.
So I have been, posting covers and just, keeping busy at home by like writing songs. I usually write like late at night though, like in the middle of the night at 2 a.m. I'll just write what's on my mind, and I've been doing that. And Netflix, I've been also working on my assignments that teachers have been giving me, and yeah, just FaceTiming my friends, all that stuff.
So you're keeping in touch with your friends, even though it's not the same as being together.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
You got to keep your sanity somehow, right?
Of course, yeah.
Of course, exactly. Of course. And with the family, everybody's doing well?
Everybody's perfect, yeah.
Good, good. So did you prepare any songs for us to hear you sing?
Yes, I did. So I have 2 songs. I have one song that's like my favorite song to sing. It's by Elvis Presley, Can't Help Falling in Love.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then my second song is actually a song I'll be releasing next week, May 21st.
So we're going to hear it for the first time.
Yeah, acoustically.
Thank you. Wow, what a privilege.
So it's going to be an acoustic version, just guitar. And then, yeah, so that's the song that I'll be releasing. So here's Can't Help Falling in Love, the first song.
Let's start with that one.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Wise men say only fools rush in, for I and help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, unless so it goes. Some things are meant to be. hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Falling in love with you.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Beautiful. It's a very emotional song, and through your facial experiences, your facial expressions, I mean, we see all the emotions coming out as you sing the song. It's wonderful. It's
Thank
beautiful.
you so much. So
It's beautiful.
thank you. So the next song is "Look Into My Eyes," which I'll be releasing May 21st. And this is the acoustic version. So here's "Look Into My Eyes." Oh yeah. Oh. All my friends been starting rumors about the way I feel for you. Maybe I'm just in denial. They all believe it. What can I do? Every doors they feel so deep. Even though I'm not alone. And all these voices, they just occupy my time. You don't seem to even notice. If only for a second you'd see me passing by. Give yourself a reason to look into my eyes. You're everything I wish for. You got me hypnotized. All I want to be, everything I need. All I want to be is by your side. If you would look into my eyes, you would see that I am falling for you, and I see you walk on mine. My knees get weak and start to cry for you. The nights they feel a little empty. Thoughts of you are on my mind. You don't even know how desperate I've become. Just to share with you this moment. If only for a second you see me passing by. Give yourself a reason to look into my eyes. You're everything I wish for. You got me hypnotized. All I want to be, everything I need. And all I want to be is by your side. If you look into my eyes, you'd see that I am falling for you, and I see you walk on mine. My knees get weak and start to cry. If you would look into my eyes, you would see that I am falling for you, and I see you have gone by. My knees get weak and I start to cry for you. For you.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I just want to remind the audience that you're only 16. You're only 16. I mean, oh my God, that's so young.
You're
And
so
yet
sweet.
your voice is like so advanced. It's so wow. I mean, I don't know. It's wonderful. It's a joy and a pleasure to listen to you, to just watch you perform. I mean, I know sitting down, but on stage, you run the stage, you rule the stage. It's all yours. You got this confidence. You know what you're gonna do. You're just you're just fabulous at it. You really know how to share your gift with the public and make us feel what you're feeling when you're singing the song. It's just fabulous.
You're so sweet. Thank you so much.
I'm just saying the truth. I'm not.
Thank you.
You're just a wonderful, wonderful singer. You're blessed with this gift. And every time I hear your music or I hear you perform, it's a joy to watch. I mean, now we're on social media. It doesn't give you the full credit of what your ability is. It is just so amazing. You have a wonderful voice, a beautiful gift, but most of all, you have a loving, caring soul, which makes it even better.
You're so sweet. I appreciate that so much. Thank you.
You're fantastic. I mean, I met your mom. I met Charles, and I mean, you're surrounded by love and support, and you're dedicated to performing and to improve yourself, which is something to commend for a 16-year-old. I mean, all 16-year-olds want to do is hang out and be silly and do TikToks, but here you are. You're doing music. You're performing. You launched your albums, now a second album, and I feel so privileged and so appreciative that you actually decided to reveal it on my live, which is amazing. So like you're working on bettering yourself, improving yourself, and getting yourself out there. And I just hope that this live will help you get more visibility and get noticed out there. I know you've sang for the Impact and the Habs, which I mean I don't think I can top that. But you're going to high places, which is amazing. It's amazing.
It means the world. Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's very heartwarming. I thank you very much for being on our show. Everybody, please tell them how they can follow you and watch you perform and watch your music. It's Ari Sky Official here on Instagram. Do you have a Facebook page?
Yeah, Ari Sky. Sky with an E at the end of it.
Sky with an E. And you have TikTok too. I saw TikTok.
I will be posting a lot of more like funny content. I got it. Follow me, Ari Sky Official. Ari Sky Official on TikTok too.
On TikTok too. So that's it, guys. She goes by Ari Sky Official, and she is officially an amazing teenager that's doing wonderful things and that lifts our spirits. She makes us feel the music. She's a wonderful, wonderful person. And I am privileged and very grateful and blessed to have known you, to have you on my show. I don't know what else to say, but God bless you and keep going. You're going to high place.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
My pleasure. Stay well.
My mom says hi, by the way.
Oh, say to your mom. Take care. Right. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
So there you have it, folks. Ari Sky. Wasn't she amazing? You got to keep I got to keep reminding myself that she's only 16. She's 16 years old. She's at the beginning of being a teenager, almost adulthood. And she's taking the time, the effort, the energy to sing so beautifully for us. It's just heartwarming to see youth develop in such beautiful ways that are very very heartwarming for us who watch her. I mean, I'm sure she feels rewarded by performing, but I think the biggest reward is how she makes people feel when she sings. So that's an amazing show. Thank you very much. Now it's 8:20, so we're gonna wrap it up. I just want to take a few minutes to wish. I have my Baileys here. I want to wish Carmelo Tortolano. Nobody knows him. I know him, and I'm blessed to know him. Why? I'll tell you why. He is the president and the founder of the Italians of Montreal and Friends Association. What is this association? We are a big group of people. We're about 15 or 17, and we strive to help the Lighthouse, which caters to children in palliative care, as well as Galileo, who is a school for students who have special needs such as autism, Down syndrome, and other issues, learning issues. And we do a lot, or we try to do a lot. We do galas, but now we can't, so we're doing other campaigns to raise money for these organizations who need our help. I mean, when you have a child in palliative care, you can't put it on pause. There's an epidemic, yes, but I mean, you can't tell the kid, you got to be well now because we can't afford to help you. Or, these places need us. So we're trying our best to raise funds either through our website, through our pages, to sell merchandise, to do campaigns, so that these funds can go to the Lighthouse and Galileo to help the students and these children that are dying. Unfortunately, a lot of families use this resource, which is the Lighthouse here in Montreal, to help the kids be happy. Make them remember that it's okay to be a kid. They can forget about their diseases and what's going on in their life right now, and just be a kid. Throw the ball around, sing some songs, do some arts and crafts. So we have it really close to our heart to help these places. And so Carmelo Tortolano is the president and founder of this organization that strives to help them. So today is his birthday, and I want to wish Carmelo a very happy birthday. Salud, tia. I wish you all the best, Carmelo. We all love you. And on that note, I will conclude with our sponsor for tonight, Europa Coffee. The best coffee you can taste in Montreal that tastes like a little bit of Italy. So you guys, if you want to order some coffee, it's available online, europacoffee.com. It'll get shipped right to your door and you can enjoy it 1 cup at a time. Trust me, it's amazing. It's the best coffee I've tasted so far. So get your coffee now. He has it in beans or grinded. So you can choose what type of coffee you want. If you have a grinder, you can grind it yourself. If you don't, you can order the grinded one. And he's got different sizes. I think he's got 250 grams, 500 grams, and 1 kilo. So you guys can choose. He's going to send it to you to your house. And that's a wrap, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. Stay safe. Be healthy. Because even though we're apart, I try to bring everybody together. And this is my way of doing it. So thank you for joining me on my live. And please join me next week as I welcome another talented Montrealer for your entertainment. And with all that, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.